Okay guys, I'm back. As promised, got the motor mount, I mean, not the motor mount, the differential mount for the Mazda. Picked this up, used today, access port. I'll play around with that, that's going to be nice. Alright, let's unbox this thing. I'm not sure if that's so much of an unboxing. Okay. See what we got here. I've been waiting for this thing. Okay, for the invoice, we don't need that. We got here some parts to look at, some nighttime reading material. Thank you. Yeah, my garage is a mess. This is how I'm going to clean this up. Wow. So, this is one big chunk of aluminum. And this looks a lot beefier than the factory one. Let's take a look. Yeah. The weight is kind of, I don't know, the weight's kind of about the same. The big improvement is right here with the bushings. You can see these aren't going to flex like this. So this is good. I'm excited to get this car back together soon. I'll work on it tonight. I don't know if I'll be able to get it done. Alright, let's get this mounted up. And we'll go from there. Alright. Switch the other side. I'm going to get this all set up. Put that back in there. I'm going to check the... Definitely not going to put this in without checking the tightness of all these bolts. So I've put some stuff together and it was loose. Or parts that you get that are bolted together like this. It's a big ass Torx. It's a big ass Torx wrench. Alright. Made in America. Lifetime warranty. Sure Motorsports. Alright guys, I'm going to set up and do this.